six-letter word, yes. It's got two C's, an I, an R, an L, and an E. It is not a line.
It has no angles.
It does not have angle. Okay.
Shape with no angles and it's 360 degrees.
Shape with no angles and it's 360 degrees.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. You can divide it in half infinite times.
Half infinite times.
You should divide it.
Like, it can go in half.
Lines of symmetry.
Oh,
it's got
Infinite lines of symmetry.
Oh, infinite lines of symmetry?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Think about, I mean, clearly we all know what a circle is, right? Okay, it's round.
Yes.
Okay. Right? Okay. But now let's think mathematically what a definition of a circle would be. So in object, okay, so in math we call an object, we call that the set of all points that gives us our object. Okay. So it's the set of all points that are what? Instead of thinking about what a circle is, think about what you know about a circle.
They don't have any sides and there's no beginning or end.
It's not a line. Don't ever confuse it with a line, Hunter. Lines are straight, by definition.
Maybe a curved line.
Has no end. That's how long I wanna be your friend. Aww.
What do we know about a circle?
360 degrees. The shape.
What? It's super easy. It's really easy.
They're round.
It's 4 letters. Or not 4 letters, it's 4 words.
They are very round.
What if I would have said 5? Then would have you gone very, very round?
Probably.
Think about it.
They are circular.
What do you know about a circle?
They have no.
Mathematically, what do you know about a circle?
You can find the radius.
Okay, so far I've heard equidistant, pi, radius, diameter. And I think I heard somebody say center in there. What do you know about a circle?
Part of geometry.
And I know I'm mean for making you think back 2 years to geometry.
Go flash.
So what? So a circle would be the set of all points, not equal to the center, equidistant from a point. Yep. And then we call that point the center. Okay. And you should have known that because somewhere along the line, somewhere you probably heard somebody say that every single radius in a circle is equal. Okay? And so for 360 degrees around a point in the two-dimensional plane, a circle is all of those points that are blank units away, or are units away from that point. Okay? The equation of a circle has a center, and it has a radius. The center is that point. Okay. The center is that point that we are equidistant from, and the radius is that equidistant length. It's that distance that we are equidistant from. So the equation of a circle is the quantity x minus h squared plus the quantity y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Okay. Again, remember, inside a parentheses, we think oppositely. The one, I don't know if you want to call it the one hang up, the one curveball, the one place you might make a mistake is that in the equation, it's r squared. But on the graph, then the radius is just r. Okay? So, let's graph one. X plus 3 quantity squared plus y minus 1 quantity squared equals 4. Okay? What is the center?
-1, or is it -3, 1?
Those are two different points, so we have to pick one of them. What do we got? -3, +1 is our center. Now, on my graph, I'll go to the point -3, 1, and I will put a C there. Because technically, the center is not what we're graphing. We need it to graph it. Okay? If we would use a protractor, or not a protractor, but a compass, okay? That's where we would put the pointy end of the compass. Okay? What is the radius then?
4. 2.
2. Because the equation gives me r squared, so I have to take the square root of 4 and get 2 for the radius. Now, to graph circles, that means I'm going to go in every direction 2. Okay? Well, I'm for sure going to go up 2. I'm for sure going to go left 2, down 2, and right 2. And then I draw in a smooth curve to finish it off. Notice how my curve, or my circle, is not a diamond. Okay? Smooth curve, trying to hit all of those points. That's it. That's a circle. That's graphing a circle. Okay? All right? Try it. Center. Radius. Oops, came in too.
We're good at drawing circles.
I've had a little practice.
Just a little.
What's wrong?
Make them look like little sunshines.
You can do whatever you want here.
That'll make you happy.
You could put a couple of, if you wanted to, you could put a pair of eyes in there. And a smiley face.
What about making it into a flower?
You could make, well, no, don't make it into a flower. Like, I wouldn't put anything on the outside of it. You know what I mean?
What about little triangles to make it?
Don't do that.
Make it sunshine?
If you're gonna make it sunshiny, make it like this, you know. Like go way around, you know what I mean? Away from it.
Make
Why?
it look like it's not lines.
Yeah, wait, why? What if you would make a flower around there? What would it look like?
That'd be a parametric equation.
Yeah.
They're pretty sweet. Okay. Oh man! Love it. Go for it. Center! Where's the center?
-3, -4.
So the center is right there. Okay. Radius. I don't like approximately.
So 6.
No.
6.5. 6.5.
Radius.
6.48.
There is none.
If there is none, then it's just a point. A point is a circle with no radius. What's the radius?
Square root 42.
Square root of 42. Hmm? Well, it's like 6.48 something. Because that's the exact radius. Okay? So that means that I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a little bit more. 5, 6, and a little bit more. 6, and a little bit more. Now, and then you've got, I think everybody should have one of these. Let's see, I want it to be in blue.
Oh, I got worried. It's okay. You have more slots on your graph.
Happens.
And I was like, why did mine go off the graph? But
Okay?
Yeah, stuff.
Knowing what you know about a circle, write me the equation of the circle with the center at the point 3, -2 and a radius of the square root of 5. I think you can do this one right now. So it's x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared, right? Okay, so 3 is h, -2 is k, and the square root of 5 is r, right? So my answer here should be x minus 3 quantity squared plus y plus 2 quantity squared, because it's minus a negative, equals 5.
Wait, so for when we're writing the equation, the squared, you don't have to write for the equation.
if it's
Well, so like this was, so r squared, if this is r, then r squared is going to be the square root of 5 squared. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
If it was like 6 there instead, then it would have been equals 36.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Okay. Yes?
Getting pumped.
Uh-oh. Double tap.
Always has one on his card.
I always have one.
On your card. Above.
Usually I have 2 of them on my card cards.
I thought we can't push that step on in general. You have to ask.
And you have to put it back,
Please, guys, touch your book.
which is kind of why I don't have books over there anymore, because they were just
Misused.
strewn about.
Anna, will you grab me one, please?
So, what day are we thinking for this one to be due?
Friday?
We don't have school on Friday.
Thursday. That's why.
Thursday.
I was only saying after. I was just thinking
That's
Friday
Thursday.
because Thursday's the